यदि आज तपाईको मन भारी छ भने, if you are feeling heavy inside yourself, please know this message is just for you. आफ्ना आमा बाबुको बिना एक्लो महसुस गरिरहेका नानीहरूलाई म के भन्न चाहन्छु भने, you did nothing wrong. तिम्रो जीवन valuable छ. Even if the world feels quiet, you are seen. You matter, baby. आफ्ना सन्तान बिना empty arms र heavy heart लिएर बसिराख्नु भएका आमा बाबुलाई your love has not disappeared. त्यो माया तपाईको मनभित्र अझै बाँचिरहेको छ. Your pain is real. Your tears matters. अरु कसैले नसोधेको पीडा भोगेर बाँचिरहेका महिलाहरूलाई घर परिवार जिम्मेवारीको बीचमा आफ्नो दुःख लुकाएर स्ट्रङ बन्नु परेको छ भने, you are strong, but it's okay to feel tired. Rest is not weakness. तपाईलाई केयर पाउन लामो एक्सप्लेनेसन्सहरु दिन जरुरी छैन आमा. You don't have to prove your pain to deserve love. Somewhere someone is thinking about you, praying for you and wishing you peace. Even if they haven't met you yet, let this video remind you one simple truth. तपाईं एक्लो हुनुहुन्न. You are not alone. अहिले strength नआए पनि ठीक छ. Just breathe. Take a small pause. अहिले strength नआए पनि ठीक छ. Just breathe. Take a small pause. Tomorrow can wait. म फिजिकली तपाईको हात अहिले समाउन नपुगुला, but today let my voice hold your heart. You matter. तपाई सधैँ महत्त्वपूर्ण हुनुहुन्थ्यो and you always will be.